Hello, welcome to this short video on a new feature we've added to our block, hatch, and line type legends, which is part of the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD 2026 version. So one request that we constantly got was users wanted to be able to create a legend in paper space, but to be able to select the items also. So what we can actually do here, I'm going to demonstrate this using the block legend. We're going to come up here to the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD ribbon. We're going to come over here to the annotate panel, and I'm just going to demonstrate this with the block legend. So I'm going to select block legend. At the command line it says select method, all, window, or V for viewport. So I'm going to go V for viewport. I'm going to select the viewport. I'm going to press enter. Then the dialog box comes up. So here you can see our block name. You can put in a description for any of these and we'll hold those descriptions so if you use it again. We can change the title and we pick a table style. We have some other settings here that I can show you, so where I can change the name of the column 1 and column 2, column 3. I'm not going to worry about that. And then also a new thing that we've added in here was a button here to include the count column, but I'm not going to show that for what we're doing. So I'm going to go OK. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pick a point on screen. And now I've placed this legend in paper space. Let's say I add more blocks into the viewport. So let's go in here and I'm just going to go insert. And in here I'm just going to throw in a fire hydrant. All right, so there's a fire hydrant and I'll throw in this high point here. All right, that's it. I'm going to get out of this. If I come back up here to the Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD ribbon, there's a button here that says update legend. So now if I just click on update legend, and now you'll see in there I've added those 2 other blocks into this legend. That concludes this short video on the new viewport command, which is part of the block legend, hatch legend, and line type legend of Kobi Toolkit for AutoCAD 2026.